Jupiter is the giant of our solar system, a world so massive it contains more material than every other planet combined. But what if Jupiter became a star, a second sun in our sky, a glowing companion beside our sun, a transformation that could reshape the entire solar system? Today on Cosmic Frontier, we explore what would happen if Jupiter turned into a star, and what that would mean for Earth. Let's begin. 1. Could Jupiter actually become a star? Jupiter is often called a failed star. And that's true, but not in the way most people think. To become a star, Jupiter would need 80 times more mass to ignite hydrogen fusion, 13 times more mass to become a small, brown dwarf. Right now, Jupiter is big, but nowhere near massive enough to shine on its own. To turn it into a star, something would have to add enormous mass, compress it violently, or cause a catastrophic gravitational event. But let's imagine it happens. 2. What kind of star would Jupiter become? Even if Jupiter did ignite, it would not become a bright sun like ours. It would be a dim red star glowing faintly more like a giant ember, far weaker than our sun. The new second sun would be visible, but not powerful. Earth would not fry, life would not be destroyed, but things would change. 3. Earth gains a second light source. At night, instead of darkness, Jupiter's star would create a permanent twilight glow, a red-orange light in the sky, brighter nights, slightly warmer temperatures. Cities would never experience true darkness again. Astronomy would change dramatically. No more perfectly dark skies. 4. The solar system's orbit shift. A star where Jupiter used to be pulls harder on everything nearby. This means asteroids in the belt become unstable. Some are thrown into the inner solar system. Mars' orbit shifts slightly. Saturn experiences new gravitational tides. Comets change direction. Earth would feel tiny adjustments, but not enough to destabilize our orbit. Still, the asteroid threat increases. 5. Jupiter's moons become mini-solar systems. Jupiter has 95 moons, and several of them could become habitable with extra heat. Europa, ice melts, subsurface ocean warms, Io. Volcanic activity increases, Ganymede. Atmosphere could thicken, Callisto. Surface ice softens. These worlds might become warmer, more geologically active, potentially suitable for colonization. Entire new worlds open up to humanity. 6. Saturn's rings could collapse. The new gravitational balance could destabilize Saturn's rings. Some possibilities: the rings spread or collapse into Saturn, or form new moons, or scatter into space. Jupiter becoming a star disrupts the entire outer solar system. 7. Comet activity explodes. More gravitational chaos means more comets, more close passes, higher impact risk on planet's Earth could experience more frequent cosmic visitors. 8. Would life on Earth be safe? Most likely, yes. Jupiter would become too dim to burn Earth, too far to melt ice caps, too weak to disrupt the sun's dominance, but the sky would change forever. 2 suns, a red glow at night, strange shadows from 2 light sources, a warmer, more dynamic solar system. Earth survives, but the solar system becomes more chaotic. A 2-sun solar system. If Jupiter turned into a star, our nights would glow red, new worlds might become habitable, and the outer solar system would be reshaped. A second sun, but a faint one. A cosmic ember lighting up our sky. Thanks for watching Cosmic Frontier. Subscribe for more incredible journeys through the universe.